In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 in the graphite color. Now, my box might look a little different than yours, and that's because when I ordered from Samsung.com, I was able to choose my band, and I chose a band that's different than the default band. So I do have this generic box that just says Samsung Galaxy Watch, but here on the back you can say it is a Galaxy Watch 8. This is the Bluetooth version and 40mm size. So let's go ahead and open this box. Alright, so I'm going to lift this off, and there's our first look at the graphite. Go ahead and take this out because there's something in the lid here. And here's the first look at the Galaxy Watch 8 40mm in the graphite color. So over here we have the speaker. In the middle is the microphone. We have two buttons on the side. We have a new band attachment mechanism here on both the bottom and top. And this is what the back of the device looks like with the sensor array. I'll go ahead and put that to the side for a moment. We'll look at this. And looks like we have some terms and conditions and a quick start guide. And on this side, we have the charging cable. So the charging cable that comes inside the box is a USB-C on one side and a magnetic puck on the other side. And to charge the watch, all you have to do is place the back of the watch magnetically here on the charger. All right, so let's put that to the side, and here underneath where the watch was is where the band is. So as you can see here, I got the fabric band in the blue colorway. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. We have some instructions for attaching the band to our watch. And here's the first look at that blue, and it really is a nice blue. If I had to give it a more descriptive name, I'd probably call it like a royal blue. So it's dark, but not too dark. So yeah, here's a little closer look. Try to give you all angles here of this blue fabric band. And you can see here, this is the medium large version. And we have some Velcro here, helping us keep the band together. So it is one single long piece. And let's go ahead and attach it to the band. Now you can have your preference. I kind of prefer to have this attached to the bottom of my watch, and I use the buttons on the right side. So I am going to attach this on the bottom here. And then I'm going to attach the other side. And there we go. And then you can pull this through and then attach the Velcro as you would like. So that is what the 40mm graphite Galaxy Watch 8 looks like with the medium large blue fabric band. Alright, so I've just set my watch up with my phone so you can see what it looks like with the watch face on. If you want to see the setup process, I'll link a video in the description below or at the end of this video. Otherwise, let's go ahead and see what this looks like on my wrist. Alright, so I've measured my wrist here, and you can see it is currently 16.2 centimeters, which is 162 millimeters, or 6.37 inches. So again, this is the Galaxy Watch 8 40mm size graphite color with the blue medium large fabric band. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, could you please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Galaxy Watch 8 videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.